talking about the Dior Color Games Summer Collection. And this palette is $8.97 Sprint. As you can see, there's a bold orange color, there's a pink, there's a beige, there's a brown color, and there is a deep bronze color. I've already primed my eyes, so what I want to do is go ahead and get started with this bronze color right here. And I'm just going to take that into the outer V. And up into the crease. Now I'm going to use this deep dark brown shade here. Just in the outer corner. I'm going towards the middle of my lid. So far, these shadows have a beautiful formula. Oh. Look at that. I'm gonna go ahead and blend those two together. That's nice. What I want to do next is bring this a beautiful orange onto my lid. I'm hoping it's as bold as it looked on the website. All right. Not bad. Let's see if we can brighten it up a little bit. That's nice. Adding a little bit of that deep brown to this, and then we're going to fuse those two together, just right there in the middle. now we're going to go to the lower lash line. I'm going to be bringing just a little bit of an accent to this look, and we're going to be using this pink right here. And on the Dior side, they added this to the lower lash line. So let's see what it looks like. Now, the difference between me and the Dior website will be that I won't be going in as bold with this, but you will be able to see it. I probably should also call this a get ready with me, because I'm actually going out. My husband and I have some things to take care of, so. Okay. All right, what do y'all think about that? You have to hand it to Dior. They are a high fashion brand, and they know how to put colors together, colors that you would not think to put together. Dior knows how to do that. They make a statement. All right, let's continue on with this. So the next thing that they did was they added a little more of this bronzy brown shade right here. What I think I'm going to do is I'm going to do both of them. I'm going to blend them together, and then I'm going to add them down here in the lower lash line. That is beautiful. And as I do that, I'm also connecting it to the shadow above, same shades. So the last thing that they did was use this beige color right here. And I don't know if you can tell, but it also has kind of a pinkish hue to it. They added that into the inner corner. But I'm also going to put a little bit of this on my brow bone. So I think I'm going to do that first. All right, now going into the inner corner with it. This particular one is more of a matte. I'm going to be using the Chanel La Base shadow. Oops. I'm going to be using the Chanel La Base mascara. And then I'm going to be placing the Chanel Le Volume mascara over the top of the La Base. I just love this big brush until I get to my lower lashes, then it frightens me. And they do assist my non-existent lashes very well, I will say. Right, this is the final look. What do you think? So let's just talk about this palette for just a moment. The first two shades that I used were beautiful. The formula was beautiful. I really was just getting really excited. And when I first applied this orange shade right there, I got a little nervous. I thought that it was going to be powdery. I didn't think that it was going to be as bold as it was on here. The shade to me, I don't know how it looked on camera, but the shade to me almost did not look as vibrant as it did in the palette. But as I began to add more, I could see that it was beginning to match the shade. So it is buildable. I think you can go as bold as you want with these shadows. This shadow in particular, the color that they put on the inner corner on their site, and the color I decided to add to the brow bone area, the beige-ish color. I didn't know that that was a matte until I applied it, because all of these appear to possibly be a satin or a matte, even on the site, until you see them apply it. And so when I saw the makeup artist, I don't know his name, I don't remember, but he applied the lightest shade on the inner corner, I was like, okay, that's the one that really looks matte, but it's hard to tell because it was so pale and it was in such a small area. So if you're looking for something to highlight your inner corner like you would use a highlighter, this is not going to be that. It's going to be very, very faint. It's a feminine palette and it's a buildable palette, but this is the only one that you should not have high expectations on. I love the palette. This is going to be my summer palette. I recommend it. I actually like it. You are getting what you pay for on this. So let me know your thoughts below, what you think of the palette, how you think it applied when you saw it, and all of that. Thank you all so much for watching. Have a blessed day, and I will see you all on the next video. God willing. Take care. Bye-bye.